In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply promo code Sendwave 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find a promo code, where to enter it, and how to make sure it activates so you get your bonus on your first transfer. Start by opening the Sendwave app on your phone. If you don't see the options I mentioned, quickly update the app to the latest version so the promo code feature appears where it should. Once the app is open, tap the menu icon or your profile picture. Depending on your device, this might be in the top corner. That opens your account area where you manage settings and promotions. Inside that menu, look for promo code or enter promo code. The wording can vary slightly, but both take you to the same place, the field where you'll enter your code. If you don't already have a code, the easiest way is to ask a friend who uses Sendwave to share their referral code with you. These codes are typically designed for new users and come with terms like who's eligible and what the minimum transfer amount is, so it's worth double checking any fine print. You can also find promo codes on Sendwave's official social media pages and in their email newsletters. Keep an eye out for limited time promotions and make sure the code you use comes from an official source. Avoid third-party sites that ask for personal information. Legitimate codes won't require you to share anything sensitive. When you have a code, copy it carefully and paste it into the promo code field in your app. Be precise. Extra spaces, dashes, or incorrect capitalization can cause errors. After pasting, review the code one more time to make sure it matches exactly. Tap. Apply to activate the code before making your first transfer. You should see a confirmation message or indicator showing the code is accepted. If you get an error like invalid or expired, try re-entering it or use a different valid code. Next, complete your first transaction. Make sure it meets any requirements attached to the promotion, such as minimum amount or eligible destination. Once that first transfer is completed, your bonus is applied automatically. This might appear as a credit, a discount on fees, or another benefit, and it can take a short time to reflect. You can check your receipt or the promo section in the app for confirmation. If the promo field doesn't appear, update your app. Remember that most promotions are one-time use, codes can expire, and only one code is usually allowed per account. If something still doesn't work, contact Sendwave support for help. That's it. Open the app, enter a valid code, apply it, and complete your first transfer to receive your bonus automatically.